what was the most significant driver of today's results?
Hey, Emily, thanks for having me. Good to see you again. We just see continued sustained growth. We had 56% growth quarter over quarter from last year. We saw, again, massive growth in buy now, pay later. We're continuing to see big growth in our non-top 5 customers. So we've reported that we saw a reduction from 72% in concentration in Square down to 68%. And that truly shows the power of our platform. So we see where our customers like Square are using lots of different surface area, and we're continuing to grow around the world.
I just spoke with one of your big customers, Tony Xu, the CEO of DoorDash. You also work with Instacart, you work with Affirm, and I'm curious how the supply chain challenges that seem to be crippling networks around the world are trickling down to you and your customers.
So we do see, and I think we've all seen in the experience of how the supply chain is affecting the market, but people still need to pay for things, whether it's consumers paying merchants, whether it's consumers paying consumers. We're still core to modern card issuing and the business there. So as we continue to grow, whether it's creating the gateway for Coinbase cardholders to spend at the point of sale, we are continuing to grow the business in this space of the global supply chain issues.
You clearly see a future in crypto. Talk to us about progress there and what the next step for Marqeta is.
So we purpose build our solutions. We purpose build for crypto, whether it's Coinbase, Fold, Backed, ShakePay. We create the ability for people to spend their cryptocurrency balance at the point of sale by creating that gateway. So when a card is swiped at the point of sale, we send a message to Coinbase. They look at the cardholder's balance in crypto, then convert that crypto to an amount, which then converts to fiat currency at the point of sale. So you can't technically spend crypto at the point of sale. We have created a way or a gateway to make sure that happens. So we're seeing great growth there. I'm a big believer in crypto, a big believer in blockchain. You and I have talked about this many times. We're going to see a lot more to come.
You also said the last time we spoke pretty matter-of-factly that crypto is going to get regulated. When do you see that happening, and what will the impact on Marqeta and markets across the world actually be?
So regulation is good. Regulation of crypto is good. I just came off a couple weeks ago from Money 2020. I know you've been there before yourself, which is sort of the preeminent conference around everything fintech. A lot of talk around decentralized finance and crypto and blockchains, also AML and compliance, which compliance and crypto actually fit together pretty well. So I would draft off of that in regards to regulation as well. That goes into a place of trust and verify. We see a bright future in regards to crypto, also decentralized finance as we begin to grow the business there. But again, Visa and MasterCard have interconnected the world for companies that want to accept cards. There is a lot of growth there in the modern card issuing alone. However, you clearly have seen us dip our toes into cryptocurrency and blockchain.